Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to charge a Philips Oneblade shaver and trimmer. This will be a full tutorial with step-by-step instructions, so let's get right into the video. So essentially how to charge this device right here, which is a Philips Oneblade shaver and trimmer combo. A full tutorial with step-by-step instructions. Let's get into this. All that you need is your Philips Oneblade unit, and you need the charging cable that came with the unit itself, and obviously you need a power source like a wall outlet. Okay, now essentially what you want to do is you're going to start off by plugging in this end to your wall outlet. Okay, so you're going to plug it into a wall outlet that works. That's a key factor there, believe it or not. Make sure that the wall outlet works. So many times we try to charge things and they're not charging and we think it's the device, but in reality a circuit breaker just tripped and the wall outlet is no longer working. Once this has been plugged in to the wall outlet, you're going to take the other side and you're going to plug it into the actual Philips Oneblade trimmer and shaver. Now, as you can see right here, based on the shape of this, it only goes in one direction. So if I try and put it in backwards, don't force it in because it's not going to go. If it doesn't go in, turn it around, make sure it's oriented properly, and then push it in. You should get a nice tactile click just like this. You can hear right there that it got fully pressed in. And what's going to happen is this light right here will start to illuminate, okay? And that is essentially it. Charging it is that easy. It charges really quickly, and the runtime is about an hour, give or take. So it's a really good bang for your buck. You can charge it quickly, and it gives you an hour of runtime. And in an hour, you can shave and trim so much surface area in that 1 hour. So with that being said, that is how easy it is to charge this unit right here, which once again, this is the Philips Oneblade shaver and trimmer. That's how to charge it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.